Hi guys!
Hello!
My name is Brenda.
My name is Cindy.
And today we're doing our first ever mukbang.
Ooh! So we're going into I'm just so hot. Oh my goodness. I wish I had a silent fan. We're going to introduce the types of noodles that we have. I have a hybrid of two types. The first one being Jajangmyeon, which is a hybrid of Chinese Korean noodle. It's very savory and soy saucy. It's very good. And then the other type is straight up just hot and spicy. This is a hot chicken noodle. And if I add the whole pack, I will die. It's very, very spicy. So what I have here is about half of the sauce, but it's very, very good.
I went to H Mart and I asked for the most recommended noodle, and this is what they gave me. My pack's already open, but it's the Shin noodle soup. So I personally prefer noodle soups over dry noodles, but as you can tell in the beginning, I went ahead and I added lime and soy sauce and tapatio. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend you do.
And for our sides, we have crispy chicken and spring roll with sauces. Very hungry. Is yours spicy? It is.
Mine's spicy. It's not too bad.
Did you add all 3 packs of the sauces?
Mm-hmm. All 3 packs. I don't think this one's like as comparably spicy as yours.
One?
Because you added half.
I added half, yeah.
How is it?
I'm not there yet. I'm on the Jajangmyeon, which is a great balance.
Mm. We're in LA and we're currently experiencing a heat wave.
Mm-hmm.
It's 100 degrees outside. Well, not now, but earlier it was. It's nighttime now. We had to turn off the air conditioner because it's loud, but it is so hot right now.
We're both
eating
sweating.
These hot noodles.
Mm-hmm.
It's not helping our sweat.
So excuse us if we are sweaty. But our windows are fully open right now. And we feel no breeze.
Absolutely no breeze.
Nothing. It's an oven. The spicy one isn't that bad.
No?
Mm-mm. But I know I've tried the whole pack. You tried the whole packet.
I tried this packet at home the other day.
You added the whole thing.
I added the whole thing.
And you can't eat spicy though.
I can eat spicy, but I could not eat that.
Did you finish it?
I got halfway through and then I had to eat yogurt because it was so hot.
Mm-hmm.
What is this sauce called?
Chicken sauce?
Chicken sauce.
I don't know. Ooh. That looks lovely. Oh, is this sweet and sour chicken?
Yes.
Sweet and sour sauce. Oh. Okay. Ooh.
Well, now you know.
Now we know. I'm feeling the heat now. I take it back. This is quite intense. This is really interesting. Jajangmyeon is actually, as I said in the beginning, a hybrid of Chinese Korean noodle. So we have Jajangmyeon. We have our own versions in Asia also. Sorry, in Taiwan, which is where I'm from. They have their own version in China also. But anyway, long story short, in restaurants when we order this, we always eat it with fried chicken or fried pork, sweet and sour. So Brenda bought this separately, and this just happened to work out. It is a great combination. Ooh.
Very good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. I'm starting to feel the sauce, the heat,
What's the other spicy hot sauce you add? Tapatio?
Tapatio.
Before you tried these, what was your favorite ramen noodle?
Maruchan. Cup of ramen.
Oh, the little cups. Aww.
Cup of ramen.
Sorry, I haven't had that in a long time.
that seems to be like the most popular
You can buy it anywhere.
among Mexicans. It's better than the original, the pack, just because it has more sodium.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, whatever. These bowls, I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but for a hand-sized portion, they are massive for giants. Like us.
Mm.
How's the egg roll?
The egg roll's good. It's not as crunchy, but it's good.
Mm.
Very oily.
Mm.
I'm sorry. Good.
Mm-hmm. Very oily.
Did you just stab your egg roll?
Yeah. Is that how you know I always stab my egg roll?
I'm gonna
Very
eat it with my
efficient.
hands.
That's fair.
Mm. So a little bit about us. We're just two best friends that like to eat and eat a lot.
But at every parties in the past, people, drinking, dancing, whatever. But at the end of the night, you always find me and Brenda. That's how we kind of bonded.
Just
At
eating.
the table, at the food table. Just eating. Yeah. Whatever is left.
When I walk into a party, I don't even say hi to people. I just walk into the snack table.
Where is the food?
If you don't have a snack table, is it a party?
I think one of my favorite late night snacks with you is Korean food.
Korean food, always.
Mhm. Just so heartwarming for the soul.
There's this Korean restaurant we like to go to. It's called Hibachi.
Adori!
Town.
So close. So close. Hibachi is the
What is Hibachi?
electronic place. My house's air conditioner is Hibachi.
It's Hidori.
So close. No, but it's 24 hours. We can always go anytime, which we crave late night foods all the time. And we discovered it through an Uber driver, actually. Thank you, Uber driver out there. We were craving late night food one time, and then we were just asking. We were heading for somewhere, like a taco place. And then we were asking the Uber driver for recommendations. And he was like, oh, off the corner somewhere in Koreatown, there's this 24-hour place that's great, has a lot of Korean soul food or whatnot. And then we tried it. It's been our favorite since.
Was I drunk?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
I was sobering up by then. I remember that.
I don't remember.
It's okay. You loved it.
I do love it.
We loved it. Yeah, we still love it.
That must have been like 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, it is fucking hot.
It's so hot.
Sweating my tits out here.
Oh, my upper lip is sweaty. No. There's no wind. There's no breeze. I can't tell which one I prefer. This one's really good, but it's just so spicy. You tried both of them, right? Which one do you like more?
I'm gonna try some of yours.
Yeah, this is really good.
I got this. Oh my goodness.
Yeah!
Oh my god, that's so much.
Mm-hmm. familiar. But you should try a meat here. It's better with the meat.
Try it with the meat. So much better.
I told you. Try it with the potato. It's on the potato. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, better than this one? I don't know. This is so flavorful.
I tried this one.
Yeah, you did try this one too. But that was a really spicy one, yeah. Do you have... Oh, you can eat spicier than me, though. Maybe just...
Maybe not.
3/4.
I had never been to an H Mart before.
I'm so excited. I'm glad you like it. They have so many fun
Gorgeous.
things. Did you buy other things other than the noodles?
Just noodles.
Their meat section is amazing. They
have
the best
fish
meats.
tanks.
Yeah.
Fish tanks in the back.
That's Asia.
Fish tanks?
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere?
Mm-hmm. Every Asian market in Asia that I've been to.
Oh, they
like a
had
fish
lobsters. So I'm sure you can pick it. And
Yeah.
Wait, little lie.
Can I try yours?
Please, please. Okay, mind you, I did put like a bunch of lime.
I want to try. That's what I want to try.
2 minutes.
Mm-hmm. The lime is so different. Ooh. Brenda adds lime and everything. Like you're the first person I know that adds that much lime in all the. Do you add lime in popcorn? No.
No.
That's jalapeno. You add jalapeno in popcorn. That's new.
Pickled jalapenos.
That's so
That's
good.
also a Mexican thing.
It's so good.
Seems like so normal to me.
So good. It didn't seem that normal for me, but I tried it and was like, oh, it's really good.
And then you get the little juice,
Ooh.
the jalapeno juice, and then you just pour it into the popcorn. I also like soggy popcorn, so that's
That's hot. Yeah, the first time we were in a theater, I saw you do that. I just saw you from the corner of my eye doing something. I was like, what is she doing? Just sprinkling pickled jalapeno.
Cinemark used to give free jalapenos. They do not anymore. They charge you 15 cents for a tiny little thing.
Get it right, Cinemark.
I mean, it's not like they're gonna be.
They're not,
a
yeah.
thing anymore.
Hashtag
I'm just
Cinemark.
kidding.
Oh my god! No!
Just kidding.
It's true.
Just kidding. This week, I listened to a podcast. It's called Park Predators. Have you heard of it?
Mm-mm.
The plot of the podcast is people getting murdered in parks. National parks. National forests. National parks.
These are based on true stories?
Based on true stories.
Ooh.
So there's I think there's 8 episodes. 3 of those episodes are men who get murdered.
Oh.
The other are women.
Oh my goodness. I
know.
I do always think about this though. Like national forests, especially national forests that are so big. It's just, I bet it's infested with It's not with little cockroaches. It's the best place to commit a crime, right?
I've never thought about that.
Really?
One time I was hiking with my roommate, and my roommate said, "Oh, this is scary. Like, I feel like we're gonna get murdered."
Mhm.
No one's out here murdering people in a hiking trail.
Like,
Apparently they are.
Yeah.
The forests are infested. They're infested by serial killers.
You're
Girls,
crawling
learn
around.
how to defend yourself.
Yes.
These guys love decapitating you.
Oh my god.
That's your egg roll.
Okay.
Unless you don't want to eat it, I'll eat it.
Not yet. It's not very pretty.
Can I have something?
Yes. No, you're good.
Are you sure it's not my pimple?
No, that thing came up. Oh, sleep so good tonight. in about 2 minutes. What?
Just eating like a child, nothing new.
We should have bibs. Is it called bibs?
Bibs.
Like a little
Sexy bibs?
Oh, have you seen these? These are they're really popular in Asia. Like flowers. You know how you have flowers?
Yes.
But then they cover your whole face. Yeah. Because it splatters everywhere, especially when you're drinking soup.
Oh, it's an actual thing?
It's an actual thing. You can like wear it and then it'll become a flower. But you can be different types of flowers.
For grown adults?
For grown adults. I will get us some. Okay. I'll look for them.
It's getting harder to pick up these noodles. So like viscous. What?
With your tapatio. Do you think it normally is like that? That looks sexy.
I think it's like the starch from the noodles.
Yeah.
At the bottom. Nothing.
There's like many things to show my family. Oh, what is Cindy up to these days? Let me show you what I've been doing. This is my new talent.
That was good. That was good. I don't think I'm going to finish the rest of it just because it's like mostly starch with some noodles, but that was really good.
I'm pretty full. But I ate like 2/3 of it. Not that bad. I did eat all the spicy ones.
I ate 4 packs. Almost 4 packs. I could finish it.
Oh, yeah.
I could finish it. Fuck it, I'm going to finish it.
Yes! Get your spoon. Hell yeah. Wait.
All right, that's enough.
Yeah!
Almost.
Wow. Idle. Okay. Tried. That was really good though. That was very tasty.
Very tasty. I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a wrap. I feel like we've pretty much stopped eating.
Yes.
H Mart would definitely recommend. I've never seen so much instant noodle in my life. Go ahead and leave us a comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna be eating a lot more.
Let us know if you have any recommendations for us to try. We are eating all the time and we love to try anything new that you have to recommend.
All right, see you guys next time.
Bye.